Kicking off our list is the WORKPRO 2-piece, 12-in-1 universal adjustable wrench set. This dynamic duo replaces a whole drawer of heavy wrenches, saving you valuable workshop space. The magic lies in the auto-adjusting jaws that instantly grip multiple fastener sizes and shapes. Whether you are dealing with metric or standard, these wrenches bite down hard without slipping. The ergonomic grip ensures your hands stay comfortable even during those stubborn bolt battles. It is forged from durable steel, meaning it can handle serious torque without bending or breaking. Perfect for plumbing, automotive work, or general DIY tasks around the house. Add this versatile set to your toolbox to handle any unpredictable hardware. Next up, we have the Zenith by Danco Carpet Staple Puller, a total lifesaver for renovation projects. Pulling old staples is usually a nightmare, but this hand tool changes the game entirely. It features a specialized V-shaped head that easily slides right under deeply embedded carpet staples. The lever action design lets you pop them out with minimal effort and zero wall damage. You can say goodbye to gouged baseboards and bruised knuckles when ripping up old flooring. The comfortable handle gives you the leverage needed to tackle a whole room without fatigue. It is built tough, ensuring the extraction tip will not wear down after just one job. If you are planning a floor renovation, this affordable tool is an absolute must-have. If you work with brake lines or HVAC, the WISSCOOL handheld tubing straightener is essential. This brilliant little gadget takes coiled, messy tubing and makes it perfectly straight in seconds. You simply feed your copper, aluminum, or steel tube through the rollers and pull it through. The ergonomic grip allows you to easily run it along the length of the entire pipe. It eliminates the kinks and waves that happen when you try to straighten lines by hand. Professional-looking straight lines make your automotive or plumbing installs look incredibly clean and neat. It is compact enough to fit right in your tool bag for easy transport to job sites. Add this massive time saver to your tubing and piping arsenal for flawless results. Moving on, the Mutt Tools 12-in-1 Ratcheting flexible screwdriver is a true problem solver. Trying to reach screws in tight, awkward spaces is no longer a frustrating chore. The flexible shaft bends and holds its shape, navigating around obstacles with complete ease. It features a smooth ratcheting mechanism that speeds up your fastening and loosening tasks significantly. The handle cleverly stores 12 different bit types, so you are never left searching for the right one. The magnetic bit holder ensures your bits and screws stay firmly in place while working. It is incredibly well built, offering a solid grip and reliable torque transfer in awkward angles. Upgrade your everyday carry toolkit with this highly adaptable and affordable driving solution. Electricians and DIYers alike will appreciate the precision of the Klein Tools 44-200 cable splicers knife. This specialized knife is engineered specifically for cutting through tough cable jackets and insulation. The short, incredibly sharp blade gives you maximum control to avoid nicking the internal wires. It features a comfortable textured grip that prevents slipping even when your hands are sweaty. The blade is forged from high-quality steel, maintaining a razor edge through hundreds of cuts. Its compact profile makes it easy to carry in a tool pouch or your front pocket. It handles everything from Romex to thick industrial cables with absolute ease and safety. Grab this dependable Klein blade and keep it close by for your next electrical project. You cannot have a good splicing knife without a great stripper, like the ASA Tools CSB. This wire stripper and cutter is designed to make quick work of electrical wiring tasks. It features precision-machined stripping holes that cleanly remove insulation without damaging the copper strands. The built-in cutting blades easily slice through wires, providing a clean edge every single time. A spring-loaded action reduces hand fatigue, automatically opening the jaws after every cut or strip. The clearly marked wire gauges on the side make it foolproof to select the right slot. It is surprisingly durable for the price, holding up perfectly under daily professional use. Make sure to check it out to streamline all your wiring and terminating jobs. For those tackling custom backsplashes or mosaics, the Goldblatt 2-piece glass tile nippers set is perfect. Cutting small, irregular shapes into glass tile is nearly impossible with a standard wet saw. These nippers feature incredibly hard carbide wheels that score and snap glass with precision. The drop-forged steel construction ensures they will not flex or twist when applying heavy pressure. The set includes 2 different jaw styles, giving you versatility for straight cuts or curves. Soft grip handles ensure you maintain total control while making delicate, intricate tile adjustments. They are surprisingly robust, easily powering through thick glass and ceramic tiles without shattering them. Pick up this handy set and make your next tiling project look absolutely flawless. The NAACOO Floor Gap Fixer tool is pure genius for fixing separated laminate or hardwood floors. Over time, floating floors can drift apart, creating ugly gaps that collect dirt and debris. This tool utilizes a powerful suction cup block and a heavy-duty mallet to close those gaps. You simply attach the suction cup to the board and tap the block to slide it. It completely eliminates the need to remove baseboards or completely pull up your existing flooring. The suction holds incredibly tight, providing the necessary grip to shift stubborn, locked planks. It is a brilliant, non-destructive solution that saves you hours of frustrating repair work. This essential floor maintenance kit is a smart investment for keeping rooms looking brand new. When disaster strikes in the garage, the Area 716 damage bolt and stud extractor saves the day. A rounded-off bolt or a snapped stud can completely stop an automotive repair in its tracks. This fully adjustable tool grips tightly onto damaged fasteners from a 1/4 inch up to 1/2 inch. As you apply torque with a ratchet, the cam action jaws bite down progressively harder. It firmly locks onto rusted, painted, or stripped studs, backing them out without slipping. The heavy-duty chrome molybdenum steel construction ensures it survives the absolute toughest extractions. It is a compact lifesaver that easily fits into tight engine bays, where traditional extractors cannot. Do not let a broken bolt ruin your weekend. Keep this extractor nearby to save the day. Shifting gears to the yard, the Scott's Whirl hand-powered spreader makes lawn care a breeze. It is the perfect compact solution for seeding, fertilizing, or spreading ice melt on small properties. The smooth hand crank operation gives you complete control over the speed and spread pattern. An adjustable arm support makes it incredibly comfortable to hold, even when fully loaded with material. It holds enough product to cover a surprisingly large area before needing a quick refill. The rust-proof polymer construction means it can handle corrosive ice melts without degrading over time. It is lightweight, perfectly balanced, and stores away easily on a garage shelf when not in use. Upgrade your lawn and driveway maintenance routine with this convenient tool without breaking the bank. Woodworkers and cabinet makers, pay attention to the incredibly useful Milescraft 1441 Drawer Jig. Installing drawer slides perfectly level and parallel is usually a frustrating, time-consuming math problem. This jig takes all the guesswork out, supporting the slides in perfect alignment inside the cabinet. The built-in tabs ensure the jig registers perfectly square against the face frame every time. It holds the hardware securely in place while you drive the screws, freeing up your hands. It also reverses to support the drawer box itself while you attach the mating slide components. Made of tough plastic, it is lightweight yet rigid enough to handle heavy, solid wood drawers. Add this genius jig to your shop and make custom cabinet building a completely stress-free experience. The THORVALD Big Deburring External Chamfer tool is a must-have for repairing damaged threaded rods. If you have ever cut a bolt and then struggled to thread a nut on, you need this. Chuck it into your power drill, and it quickly shaves the damaged outer edges away. The heavy-duty tungsten carbide blades slice through hardened steel, stainless, and brass with zero hesitation. It creates a perfectly smooth, chamfered edge that accepts nuts and threading dies instantly. This larger version handles a wide range of pipe and bolt diameters, increasing its shop versatility. It completely replaces the tedious process of hand filing burrs off freshly cut metal stock. This massive time saver is a brilliant shop upgrade available for well under $30. The TOLESA heavy-duty metal pipe cutter is an absolute beast for plumbing and fabrication tasks. It smoothly slices through copper, aluminum, and even stainless steel tubing up to 2 inches thick. The oversized handle provides excellent leverage, allowing you to tighten the blade easily while turning. It features high-quality thrust bearings that ensure the cutting wheel tracks perfectly straight without spiraling. A built-in deburring reamer neatly folds out to clean up the sharp internal edges after cutting. The sharp cutting wheel leaves a factory-clean edge, preparing your pipes perfectly for soldering or fittings. Its rugged cast metal body is designed to survive serious drops and daily job site abuse. Grab this professional-grade cutter and make your next plumbing job noticeably cleaner and much faster. For the home mechanics, the WORKPRO Universal Adjustable Oil Filter Wrench is a massive upgrade. Removing an over-tightened, slippery oil filter is the most frustrating part of any routine maintenance. This tool features spring-loaded jaws that automatically clamp down harder as you apply turning torque. The built-in magnetic base holds it securely to the filter, keeping it from falling off while working. It attaches right to your standard 3/8 ratchet, giving you plenty of reach in cramped spaces. The serrated jaw design bites into the metal filter casing, preventing any slipping or rounding. It adjusts to fit almost any standard filter size, making it the only filter wrench you need. Stop fighting with stubborn oil filters and add this clever magnetic wrench to your garage setup. The SKIL Twist 2.0 rechargeable 4V screwdriver is the ultimate convenience tool for assembly tasks. This modernized classic features a pivoting head that switches from a pistol grip to a straight handle. It packs plenty of torque to power through flat-pack furniture assembly and basic household repairs. The built-in LED work light illuminates dark cabinets and tight corners while you are driving screws. It charges quickly via USB, meaning you can power it up from anywhere in the house. The rubberized grip is extremely comfortable and prevents the tool from slipping in your hand. Its compact size allows it to fit neatly in a kitchen drawer for quick, everyday access. Pick up this handy little electric driver to perfectly round out your indoor household toolkit. When clearance is non-existent, the NAACOO offset extension wrench is exactly what you need. This impact-ready extender allows you to reach nuts and bolts hidden deep behind engine components. A heavy-duty chain drive inside the wrench transfers your ratchet's torque perfectly to the socket. It comes with several adapters, allowing you to use it with different drive sizes seamlessly. You can pair it with an impact driver to blast off stubborn fasteners in impossible locations. The slim profile easily slides into gaps where a standard socket and ratchet simply cannot fit. It is solidly constructed to handle high torque without binding up or breaking internal mechanisms. Add this specialized problem solver to your automotive tool collection for those frustrating tight spaces. The Max Power Adjustable Offset Hex Wrench offers a brilliant twist on a classic plumbing tool. Its unique offset head design allows you to work comfortably against walls and in tight corners. The jaws open wide to accommodate large pipe fittings, massive nuts, and awkward plumbing fixtures. The smooth jaw surfaces ensure that you will not mar or scratch delicate chrome or brass finishes. A precision-machined worm gear allows for quick and incredibly smooth jaw adjustments on the fly. The long handle provides fantastic leverage, making it easy to break loose highly stubborn connections. It is forged from high-carbon steel, guaranteeing it will last a lifetime in your plumbing kit. Pick up this awesome offset wrench today to make all your frustrating under-sink jobs vastly easier. Installing doors solo is tough, but the Trend Swivel-Type door and board lifter makes it easy. This foot-operated lever allows you to lift and hold heavy doors completely hands-free while aligning hinges. The swivel action lets you slide the door perfectly into position with pinpoint, precise control. It effortlessly lifts up to 80 pounds, taking the back-breaking strain out of hanging solid doors. The non-marring pad ensures you will not scratch up your beautiful new flooring or the door itself. It is also fantastic for lifting drywall panels or large plywood sheets into position for fastening. Its compact size means you can easily toss it into your tool bag between job sites. Bring home this essential helper to completely eliminate the struggle on your next solo installation project. For delicate electronics or firearms, the NAACOO preset torque screwdriver is an absolute must-have. Over-tightening small screws can instantly strip threads or crack expensive, delicate plastic components. This precision tool allows you to dial in the exact torque required for the job perfectly. It clicks audibly and physically disengages when you reach the set limit, preventing any damage. The kit comes with 13 high-quality S2 steel bits, covering all the most common fastener types. An ergonomic, non-slip handle ensures steady control while working on highly sensitive and intricate assemblies. It comes in a rugged storage case, keeping the driver and all bits perfectly organized together. Protect your valuable gear and pick up this accurate torque driver for your delicate assembly projects. The 32-inch foldable grabber reacher tool is a surprising workshop necessity. Dropping a vital screw behind a massive workbench is no longer a day-ruining event. The rubberized gripper jaws hold on tight to tiny washers and bulky hand tools alike. A brilliant rotating head allows you to snatch objects at awkward angles without twisting your wrist. It even includes a built-in magnetic tip to recover lost metal hardware effortlessly. The lightweight aluminum shaft folds neatly in half for super compact storage in your drawer. Its ergonomic trigger requires almost zero hand effort, providing a secure grip instantly. Pick up this fantastic utility tool today and save your lower back from endless bending. The SharpAL All-in-One Multi-Sharpener rescues your neglected yard equipment. Working with dull blades makes landscaping miserable and can be incredibly dangerous. This heavy-duty sharpener utilizes preset tungsten carbide blades to instantly restore the factory edge. A built-in ceramic bar hones the freshly cut metal to a scary sharp polished finish. The oversized safety handle lets you wear thick work gloves while safely honing your gear. It is armored to withstand drops and extreme temperature shifts in your outdoor shed. Its compact footprint means you can easily toss it into a portable toolbox. Grab this brilliant multi-sharpener right now to ensure your outdoor gear always cuts perfectly. Finally, wrapping up our epic list at 22 is the Woodpecker's Miter Clamping Tool Set. Achieving perfectly tight, gap-free 90-degree corners is a frustration that ruins custom projects. These specialized spring clamps eliminate that struggle by forcefully drawing your mitered edges flush. Razor-sharp prongs bite firmly into the wood, locking the pieces still while glue cures. You can deploy them in a second with the included pliers, completely freeing your hands. They perform flawlessly on delicate picture frames and complex decorative molding around the house. Forged from premium spring steel, they retain massive clamping pressure through years of abuse. Secure this amazing set for your shop today and build flawless professional masterpieces. That wraps up our list of 22 awesome tools under $30. If you saw something that belongs in your workshop, you can find all the links down in the description below. Thank you so much for tuning in to Top Tech Tools today. We will see you in the next one.